Hey y'all, let's make some corn, potato, and crab chowder from the Jubilee Cookbook, 2 Centuries of African American Cooking by Toni Tipton-Martin. This recipe is super easy to make and oh so yummy. It just involves a bit of chopping. That's all. If you have it, go ahead and pull out your Dutch oven for this one. If not, a regular pot will do. It's a combination of 3 popular soups: crab soup, potato soup, and corn chowder. This recipe is inspired by another recipe found in My Life on a Plate by the singer Khalees, who's an extraordinary chef. Once the chopping is all done, it's time to make the corn puree. Our next step is to take it to the stovetop. Once the bacon is browned, remove it from the pot and set aside for later. I am so excited about this cookbook and all of the history surrounding it. Thank you so much, Toni Tipton-Martin. You're almost done. See, that was pretty easy, right? For the bacon bits, you can either add it to the soup or use it as a topping. As you can see, I added it to the soup. I really love all the flavors in this soup. If you made it, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching.